Beautiful fish. Yeah.
His dreams are over.
Oh, we've got Calico trifecta. All right.
Hey, I got 3!
Oliver Nye and his crew on Big Bass Dream, San Clemente Island, having a blast.
All right.
Wait, nice.
There we go.
Oh, we bit on the other one. Here, go get the other rod, Derek. Fine, just turn the handle first. Make sure that hook's set, and then lift it. All right, we got a little bite going here. Derek's getting his arm broke. Josh is filling up the kill bucket. Parker's slinging the eye on. Things are happening. Here you go, sir. Nice sheephead, brother. Look at that one.
That's a good one.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Parker, can you get some photos of this one?
Not of mine. All right.
That's a
Look, they're gonna match my glasses, right? That's why I wore these.
The glasses and the vest.
Finger.
A little bit too much finger. Yeah, there you go.
Beautiful fish. Look at those eyes.
That's a beauty.
Parker,
Yes, sir.
did you hear about the angler that got a new rod and reel for his girlfriend?
No. What happened?
He said it was the best trade he ever made.
It was over. I kind of knew where that was going, but I didn't know exactly where it was going.
But they're all like that.
Hey, the scoping master is at it again.
Yes, how can we not sculpt? I want to break that world record.
That's right. Tell us about that. What just happened?
All right, well, we're dropping straight down, coming over these high spots, jigging the squid tracks, just little pops and glides, and then guess who caught a sculpin?
The scoping master himself.
There it is.
Nice work.
Yep.
You were just talking about the world record. What?
That's right. 5 pounds even, caught in the
Santa Monica Bay?
Marina Del Rey Halibut Derby.
Wow.
That was approximately 2 weeks ago. And I got to review the tape. I did a little interview with the fine young man that put that fish on the boat, took it to the scales. So how cool is that? You get a world record, but you do it in a tournament. So that's like
a good time to do it.
double the fun.
You having double the fun?
Double the fun.
Shrimp?
That.
You guys all have that one friend that keeps his pliers in his pocket? That's Josh.
Stay ready, ain't gotta get ready.
That's a nice keeper, eating size sheephead.
There it is. The sheep nasty.
Oh,
Yeah.
been
First sheephead of the day.
15 years or so.
All right, put them in the live one.
Live action.
Casting towards the kelp in the island. Right there.
Okay. Oh, bridge. Oh, shrimp bit, Josh. Oh, yeah.
Somebody get that. Just wine. Just wine. Wine. You gotta wine first.
There?
There you go.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, I think. It feels heavy.
Oh yeah, it's probably a big sheephead.
Oh my god.
Big, big kelp sheephead. Nice one.
Kelp head.
Boy, this thing's nice.
Yeah. Big little kelp. yellows.
Oh, I'm bit. You gotta be fast. Surfer side.
Bass.
Calico Bass. Hey, that's a keeper.
That's the keeper.
On the Dreadnought iron. First cast ever with that jig. Sick.
Oh, nice job.
How are we doing here, Derek?
Alright, we got a little go.
Nice. First one on the riff rod.
Is that right?
Yeah. It's a jigging series of rods from St. Croix.
Well, here we got color.
Hey Parker, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
You put that thing in gear when it hits the bottom.
Yep.
Oh, dude, that's a big red. Oh my goodness.
Good red. Holy shit.
That is a mega.
Is that a good catch?
Yeah, dude. That's amazing.
Off the squid.
Should I not have lifted him in?
Yeah,
I heard a little. Ooh.
I just don't like that high angle.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's
I see.
It's important to keep that rod parallel to the water
I see.
to
So
distribute
it
the
don't
load.
Snap the line.
Yeah.
All right.
Dude.
Let's
If you want, you can go ahead and here, get up here. We'll take some photos.
Wow.
Dude, that's a toad, bro.
Big
That is a
boys.
big red.
Only today.
Over your back.
Yeah, oh, I'm sure it is. Josh, get it.
Got it.
The tank, bro. All right, 3, 2, 1 video, okay? 3,
Okay.
2.
All right. Squid tracks. Deep drop, 250 feet. First drop right away. Got both assist hooks on the bottom lip there. Nice red. Big bass dreams.
That's a tank, bro. Let me get a couple on my phone. Can you give me a one knee? Just to switch it up? Yeah. Take your time. Another nice red. Jeez. There it is. Awesome. Okay, another video. 3, 2. My man Derek is back and doing work.
Dropping the squid tracks here, 130 grams, 254 feet. First drop on this spot. Just a couple jigs and boom, there she was. Got this nice red on Big Bass Dreams.
What do we got here? Holy moly!
Got me another red, baby.
You guys are making the boat dirty.
There's
job.
the boat.
Hell yeah, brother.
Got him? All right.
Hell yeah, brother. I got him. Look at that go.
Got him?
I got him.
All right. Awesome.
Peaceful? Yeah, go ahead and get that thing back down there.
Okay.
Yeah. Done.
It is. Are not gears for different speeds?
Yeah, this is variable.
Okay, I was way back under the boat. I was reeling up in the water column and got attacked. So let's see what comes up with this squid tracks. Well off the bottom. And then just boom, boom. Something jumped on it. So we're about to find out what it is.
How do you like that rift rod so far?
Love it. It's very nice. Great sensitivity.
Oh,
Oh, another
goodness.
big red.
So this time wind down a little bit more. Okay, and then keep the rod parallel. There you go, up and over. Perfect.
Look at that.
Nice
Look
work.
at that.
That's another stud,
Another
dude.
biggie. Another big orange.
I would just lip them. Go ahead and lift them. I got the line. There you go.
Look at that. Look at that.
How fun was that?
It was a lot of fun, unexpected. Got hit up in the water column. All right, we're having fun. Out here on San Clemente Island with Big Bass Dreams, Oliver Nye and the crew. Oliver.
Only my friends call me Oliver.
Yeah, I bet. Only certain friends who don't know how to speak.
Awesome, good work. Get
All
a couple
right.
pictures to you. Parker, what are you doing? You running a fish?
Yeah.
All it takes is one hit.
Ooh. His dreams are over. Got the quivers. Now we're gonna hit him with the EKG, man.
That's it. Real quick, right in the brain.
The wire's in the live well, by the way, if you want the wire.
Gotcha. Yep. Get on that. 2 clips. 1, 2. And he should be bleeding in a second.
Into the Yeti.
Into the Yeti.
Might need a transfer. Oh my goodness. Parker, what are you doing?
Mando.
There's blood or something?
There's blood from Fiji. I haven't worn this hat since Fiji, and there's like these weird like blood stains. I think I got most of it.
Tropical blood?
Yeah.
Fijian
Could be
blood.
mine. Could be a fish. Probably a fish.
Could be from her.
Throw that in that trash can, friend. Yeah, I'm done with that one.
Well, that must have been
Literally just
that's it.
Dude, it was literally just eggs and hash
Beautiful.
browns.
Yeah, that's some bullshit.
I was like, what the fuck?
Have you ever heard
What's
of
the water
Lost
look
Dogs?
like?
No.
It's like
Crystal
it's
blue?
crystal
Like,
blue.
really famous
And then you
hot
get in
dogs?
on the beach, and it's like
Thought they would be good
crazy,
for
like
breakfast.
white,
What time?
white sand for like.
Open?
There's big barrier reefs,
Yeah,
so like you'll be like
trying to find a good
I
breakfast
don't know.
spot that opens early.
the islands are like these little
It's so
round
hard.
islands, and then there's a big barrier reef all the way around them. So there's like a quarter mile of just white that goes out.
Well,
And then
it's gonna go with the way this is right now.
The water looks so nice.
You're on?
oh, there we go.
God.
Man, you barely even tossed that. Oh, there's definitely yellows.
Oh,
under
you got
us.
double, dude.
Dude, there's huge yellow marks.
Oh, look at that. That's a fatty one. Nice.
Yo, look.
I love it when you
that
got
under us?
like
Look at, you can even see him.
Oh yeah.
Look at.
So that's surface iron. Alright, that's another bass. That's a nice one.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, just in that
Fire behind you. Fire behind you.
habit of winding into them, make sure they're on.
Porgy little bastard. Look at that. Stumper. Can you click on the bass and the totals here? Throw behind you. See that fish flashing? There you go. There you go. Alright, finding some fish. Big shadowlicious. You get another click, Sarah, on the bass in total?
Another click.
Oh gosh, that thing got crushed. Oh, double! Oh, I just had two. One just rolled off. I mean, I had three.
Damn.
Oh, we got a double! Double doubles!
Double
Oh,
double.
Oh, I got a triple, my bad.
Oh my god.
Parker, you get that GoPro?
Too heavy, I don't want to.
So, same thing. This is the same trick. So, wind down a little bit more.
Oh.
Alright. And then there you go. There.
Oh man, that'll do a photo, right?
Heck yeah. Yeah, just hit it once and it'll pop on. Josh got the GoPro in his hand. We'll pick that up.
Patrick Seville, we got something to talk about. All right, look at this. I got my Dartspins, and we've got Calico trifecta here on the A rig, and one cast, 3 Calico Bass, just like Patrick Seville said. Put these babies on an A rig, going over the reef with a little bit of kelp. There we go. Look at that. Triple, triple. Triple, triple. What you got over there, Oliver?
I just had a little micro double. That just boosted our numbers by 5. Now you're getting it. Oh, another double. The way we can force that into existence here. Another twofer. So guys, fun nonetheless.
Click on the 2.
Yes, sir. Right on that edge, dark edge. You just wind faster. You'll feel them load up into it. Bass, Barracuda, Yellowtail, all the same. Fire in there. What you got, buddy?
This thing launches.
Oh yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that's a better one. Oh, yeah. That's a gooder one.
That's definitely a gooder one.
It choked that big one. Then the small ones got her on the sides. Can you give me a photo real quick, Clark? My phone. It's right there, I think. That might not be my phone. I think that's Derek's. A couple stills. Get that bait down its throat. Alright. A rigging for calicos. Out here fishing the island up pretty tight, and they're choking it pretty good. This is what, 38 for the day so far? We're not even halfway through it. Lots of good action. Still looking for the right size. My gosh, this guy ate it. Oh, or weedless.
You got more rigs?
Yeah, or you want a single weedless too. I got plenty of those.
I'll take a rig.
Yeah. There should be a rig in the other compartment that Josh is standing on.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, slack line. Oh, dirty.
Another chunk of monkey.
Okay, time to catch fish. Oh,
Can I go over you?
all right.
You're good?
Yeah, yeah. I think I'm under you. I'll be through it before you get on top of it.
Oh
That's good. Good.
I think we're having fun.
We got a double A rig going.
Oh man.
Almost.
I think
All
we're
right,
at
my
like
bad. Oh, I got it.
It's all right. All worked out.
A little bit of work to make this cast right.
He had seen enough to know to go to. Right? I don't want to do that.
oh, you got a follower. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we need 3 clicks.
Are we clicking? 3 clicking. Bass?
Yep. 3 to bass, 3 to total. I don't know how many I have on. Got some salad. 2 more clicks, sir.
3.
And 1 for seaweed.
I think you got 3 there, don't you?
Yeah.
3. Am I counting right? That's a 3-fer. I think there's one hidden in there.
Hey! I got 3!
Woo! That's 49, baby.
That is too funny.
And they really do come like a little pack, huh?
Oh yeah.
Very territorial.
What are you throwing?
Oh, this is a better one.
Get him, boy.
Not sure.
Doubles, triples. Oh, quad.
You got a quaddie? Oh, nice.
Oh.
Sheesh. Dang.
Who is this guy?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at that.
Nice work, brother.
Thank you, thank you. Look at this one guy. You know, he's not long, but or big, but
They're
look
girthy,
at the
yeah.
belly.
They're probably gravid females getting ready to spawn.
Hey. There's one. I'm gonna do you last. Look at this. This is a professional calico in training, man. Look at that belly on this guy.
That's proper. You got 3 clicks on that,
Yep.
Joshy?
Got him. Right
click stick.
You can tally fast. Try to work your tongue up like that, buddy. Somebody, can I get a plier, please?
Yes.
Yeah, oh, here it is. It's right here. Thanks. I got.
Oh, cool.
Probably transfer those rockfish too.
Okay.
Low wiener.
There was a. I think I saw a fourth one come off,
There was a
or
fourth
he
one.
was trying to join the party.
No, he came off. There was a fourth one I saw.
Another bite. Dude, take that Colt Sniper off and put that on. That'll get it.
There is a rod with the weedless on it already.
Okay, you try that. I mean, that's what
the Colt Sniper too.
those quick clips are nice for that.
Yeah.
Because that rod is actually really good for what that bait I just handed you. 9 foot, kind of light.
Californian.
It's just the Phoenix.
California. Ah, that's a good one. Nobody coming over there? Oh. Boy, nice one.
Maybe he can convince his friends to join the party, which I think he's got at least one now. Yeah. Hey!
Finally showed up this little gig.
Read the clicker.
What? Brings us to 56.
57.
Oh, okay.
You got the Strike King.
Yep. Strike King magnet.
Come big.
Yeah, how many fucking shad glides do I really need? Wait on you, sir.
This side.
Submerged kelp. Oh, I seen that. Got him.
Oh, it just got heavier.
Hell yeah.
Might be more than one.
Oh yeah. 3? You got a 3-fer.
3-fer.
4.
We got four.
Another quad.
What?
I was. I had.
I saw 4, right?
You definitely have 4. You got a couple creepers down low too.
Oh.
Hit the boat, it counts.
Hit the boat.
It hit the boat, it counts.
So
4, 7.
7? Are you including those 2 that fell
Oh
off?
yeah, they hit the boat, bro.
Oh. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7 and 3 casts. Pretty good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That brings us to 41 bass, 65 total.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the 3rd quarter. Arguing with the captain. 3.
Top of the 3rd.
Oh, I saw that one.
Look at these. What are those?
Oh my god, those little yellowtail? They are! Dude, where's that Colt Sniper? Throw that sniper out. Throw it down swell. They're all little yellowtail. Straight back.
All I have is, where is that?
Where's that fucking Colt Sniper at?
Where's that Colt Sniper?
How did I put it?
There's like about 20 or 30 of them.
Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. Oh, there found a friend.
What's that, the sniper?
Oh. Oh yeah.
On the snipey!
Oh yeah.
Alright, everybody get a sniper. Here.
Oh.
Derek, swap it out.
Oh my god, yes! Got a yellowtail? Yep. Oh, this is so heavy!
Go ahead, fire back there. You got a yellow?
I don't know, but it's so heavy!
What the hell just happened?
My rod fell in.
Yeah, buddy! I got a yellow!
Bounce that little sucker on the boat. Now take your time. You got it? Don't do it with too much line out.
Where's my sniper? I need to get this guy in the boat.
Mark, can you help him out?
Oh, he's trying to dog me.
Yeah, don't let him do that. Wind down, bro. Keep his head in the water. You don't want him thrashing like that. That's how they come off. You don't pull their heads out.
What can I
Fine
do?
line.
What can I do for him?
Nothing. Up and over.
Yeah!
Hey!
Nice!
First yellow.
My first yellow, baby!
Told you they want that stupid sniper.
Let me get another one.
Oh! It came out of the water. Oh man.
Just as you were saying.
Oh, I gotta throw the clicker on. Shit, what do I put for the...
We'll have to designate a new one. Just put total. 2 for the total. Alright, first one on the cast OG. 60 gram. I downsized a little bit because they've definitely shown a little reluctance to come up for the big stick bait. Hopefully their mood changes as the afternoon progresses. The sunlight's stuck now for a while. Warming temps. Active fish, I hope.
It's perfect. The kelp is laying down.
There you go. Good one. Oh, you got followers. That might be a yellowtail. Yeah, you got a yellow. Oh no, barracuda. Back a Rudy.
Big barracuda.
I have one for the species list. Shake that one off with short. Oh, jumper!
Get that on video.
Oh! Just wind him up. Give him another crank. Get his head out of the water. So you want to do the opposite. Right? You want him to come off. Get his head up. And we'll usually shake free. So careful. Trying back at you.
Is that illegal?
No, it's close.
There's life here. Flash. Got him. Flares. I got it. Finally, I pulled mine out. Day's over.
Back to Rudy. Hey, stop it, Rudy. I'm trying to actually let you go. Oh, let's get to your last check. Look. Ow!
Shit, are you alright?
That's ridiculous.
How far that thing's fresh?
Good to go.
Funny story. Working with Bill. He asked me to write something to Bobby Bear. So I did what he said. Had it all.
Nice. A better one.
All.
Wind down a little bit more next time. Good. Oh, it came off.
Wow.
Okay.
Can we get some camera work on that one? Good one.
Derek's only going for big ones today.
Should open his phone for a month.
We all had.
How's that look?
Oh, it looks great, man. Why don't you get into modeling?
Here, just step back so you get into the sun.
You're
Here we go on this side.
funny man. You know, funny people go far. Help. Right, another nice calico bass from the Kelp. Kelp bass from the Kelp. Throwing the A-rig with Band of Brothers hyperlastic Dartspins.
Oh, that's a good one too.
Good.
Sydney, wind down more. Remember? There you go, up and over. Nice, brother.
Whoa.
Look at that fat toe.
That is a fat one.
Bro. Oh, that thing's pregnant for sure.
You're pregnant for sure. 2 weeks away.
Sure
That's a
am.
Tracy Morgan fish. Somebody's gonna get pregnant.
Holy sheesh.
All right.
Go, Derek. 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 Yay. These are yours.
All right, once again, take a step back into the sun.
Taking us that back. All right, another stout, big belly, calico bass, running an A-rig with the hyperlastic Dartspin on an Alabama rig. Big fat belly on this calico coming through the Kelp with Oliver Nye and his crew on Big Bass Dreams, San Clemente Island, having a blast.
That's
Catching
a nice
big
fish.
bass like this. Awesome, fun.
All right, Derek.
Hey, good day with Big Bass Dreams, Oliver Nye, the crew, Joshua, Parker. We had a great time fishing the Kelp, outside edge, San Clemente Island. It's been a blast, had a great day. Beautiful day, sun's out, island's beautiful. We're fishing.
How many fish we end up with?
76.
76 fish, 47 bass.
76 fish total, 47 calicos. All right.
Where can we find you, Derek?
You can find me at dstewartfishing.com, D-S-T-E-W-A-R-T, on Facebook at Derrek Stewart, and Instagram, dstewartfishing.
Well, can I say, look at this beautiful weather. Ending the day on an incredible note. 76 fish total caught today. 46 of those, I believe, were calico bass. A couple of nice ones in the mix. Lots of action, lots of good fun. We had some really nice sheephead, really nice reds on the artificial, and a nice little flurry on the bass. We got a barracuda and a yellowtail on the boat. So it's here, man. Island fishing. It's about to pop off, and we finished off the day with a very abysmal lack of conditions, but we spotted some yellowtail here. It's only a matter of time before those things go mental, I hope. So looking forward to getting back out here, especially with you guys. You guys are interested in booking a Big Bass Streams personal training session, shoot me an email, oliver@bigbassstreams.com. What do you got today, Derek?
Hey, I've had a blast. Caught calico, reds, sheephead, whitefish, I think other rockfish, and it's just been a blast. Great day out here, and multiple species, and just a good time. Midday, the sun came out. The skies are beautiful, the island's beautiful, the water's beautiful, the company's beautiful. You owe it to yourself to come out here and treat yourself to a training session with Oliver and the crew. He's gonna put you on fish.
Awesome, appreciate you, brother.
Yeah.
Derek's been with us several times now, and looking forward to Getting him out here for the next adventure. There is a slight chance that we see a bluefin on the crossing home, so we got the gear in the boat. Hopefully we can facilitate some big tuna dreams here shortly. You guys might have seen that episode where Parker was giggling like a little schoolgirl.
So, y'all know the words of the song, right? So we gonna all sing this shit together, man. Can I get you? Do you mind? If everybody sing this shit, do y'all mind?
Or the one where Josh is losing his mind and licking blood off of a bluefin. You're so happy! Lick that thing, bro! Lick it! Oh, yeah. But doesn't get much better than that. But look at this. I see a breezing school fish up here. Let's drive over it. If you guys can get up on top and look down, see what they are. Yeah, what do you think? All right, man, until the next time, unless this turns out to be a ripper stop, catch you guys on the next episode. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, bye.
I love it when it sounds like this, y'all. It's just so much of a pocket for me, man. Like, it's really difficult for me to rap to some shit that's not in that pocket, man. And music has a pocket, and it hits people. It hits everybody. And it makes